Alright, so today we're going to show you some cheaper eBay tool sets that I purchased to do some jobs on the automobiles. The first one is actually a bearing tool set, so it's actually the full bearing tool set. This is made by Orion Motor Tech, and it's an OMT-8625 front wheel drive bearing toolkit. So you can get these for under $100, and this will actually pull the bearings, and you can use it to pull hubs too. So why this is a little bit more expensive than the other toolkits is it says right here, do not use with an impact gun. So they're not designed to use with an impact wrench. So strictly wrenches only. So if you needed something a little bit more hefty, you're gonna have to rent it from a tool shop or either buy a better set. But this is for under $100, and you can basically pull bearings. So it is a full kit for front wheel drives, and you can't really beat the price. What I got it for, it's under $100, and that will do pretty much wheel bearings and hubs for this kit. So if you needed to do those on your vehicle, this would be the kit you would need. Also, what I also purchased from Orion is this other kit. So this kit was $40. So this actually is just, pop this open. This is just for ball joints, so upper and lower ball joints. So this kit will do both of those, and you can get both of these kits off of eBay by just searching. And they're not terrible kits. They actually work pretty good. And the only one I need now is I need the small bushing kit, which is about $100. So once I have all three kits, pretty much if you have these three kits, you can do any front wheel drive car. You can do any of the bushings or bearings or whatever you need. So definitely worth the money for the price of the tools, especially if you're not doing stuff on like a professional level. If you're just doing stuff in your front yard, this is all you need. Alright, well, you guys take it easy. Peace out.